A guy by the name of Sam Ovens made $900,000 in 30 days with one video. Let's talk about it. Since internet sales, the world of marketing has completely changed. Just being good at sales wasn't enough. Some of the smartest teams out there are analyzing, developing, and testing new strategies every single day. So how did one man manage to create something so simple, yet so successful? Back in 2019, Sam Ovens launched what would be famously known as the Google Doc VSL. But what is a VSL? Well, VSLs, or video sales letters, have become an essential part to successful websites or funnels. Basically, it's whatever you're selling put into a video explaining your product. Potential customers don't have to go through and scroll through an entire website and read all of the copy to understand what it is that they're looking at. All they have to do is simply click play and watch a video. Now, this is effective for a couple of reasons. Reason number one is it's more personal. People can put a face and a voice to your product. Reason number two is information retention. According to statistics, people retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video, as opposed to only 10% when they read it in a text. As this method of marketing becomes more popular, it's quickly becoming more complex. So how was Sam able to launch one of the simplest VSLs and it be so successful? All it was a Loom video of a single page Google Doc. Well, it all boils down to one thing. You see, Sam already had a client base of over 11,000 people, an email list of over 1 million people, and a YouTube channel with over 200,000 subscribers. So it's no surprise that Sam was able to be so successful in such a short amount of time with something so simple. With all this said, I think there are 3 things that we can take away from this example. Takeaway number one, and this one's very obvious, but it's the value of having an audience in the first place. Without an audience, nobody would have cared that some guy is selling something on the internet. But because people knew Sam and they valued what he had to offer, Sam had no issue getting his product in front of potential customers. Takeaway number 2, and this is one of the most important factors in marketing success, and that's that people trusted Sam. And takeaway number 3 is that VSLs can be extremely valuable. Because Sam already had an audience that both knew him and trusted him, all he had to do was present his product personally. If he had just posted a single web page of this Google Doc, I doubt it would have been near as successful. But because Sam posted a video of his face and his voice presenting his product, people had no issue pulling out their wallets and buying what he had to offer. So my conclusion is value having an audience. So here's my final conclusion. Having an audience that both knows you and trusts you is extremely valuable. In fact, many would argue that having an audience is the most valuable commodity in today's economy. If you are at all interested in learning more about leveraging quality video content for your business, go ahead and check out the link below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more valuable content for everything regarding video production and content creation. With that said, it's late. I need to go to bed. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.